Ukrainian forces advance near Bakhmut. The Institute for the Study of War, ISW, has reported that Ukrainian forces conducted counter-offensive operations in at least 3 contact line areas and advanced near the city of Bakhmut. The Institute's report notes that the Ukrainian military said it was pressing ahead with counter-offensive operations on the northern and southern flanks of Bakhmut, and that Ukrainian Deputy Defense Minister Hanna Maliar stated that Ukrainian forces were moving south of Bakhmut. The ISW noted that a Russian military blogger said on the 28th of July that Ukrainian forces had advanced near the settlements of Kurdyumivka and Andriivka. Russian military bloggers also claimed that Ukrainian forces were maintaining ground attacks along the Donetsk and Zaporizhia Oblast's border near the settlements of Staromayorsk, 9 kilometers south of the village of Velika Novosilka, and Urozhain, 9 kilometers south of Velika Novosilka, and some military bloggers admitted that Ukrainian forces had captured Staromayorsk, the report said. The ISW pointed out that a Ukrainian source said the Ukrainian military had advanced to a distance of 10 to 12 kilometers from the main Russian defense line on the Berdyansk front. Meanwhile, the Institute's analysts emphasize that Russian pro-war bloggers claim that Russian troops repelled Ukrainian ground attacks near the settlements of Robotyno, 10 kilometers south of the town of Orikhiv, Verbov, 17 kilometers southeast of Orikhiv, and Pyatikatki, 25 kilometers southwest of Orikhiv in the western part of Zaporizhia Oblast.